Okay, Give and Grow team, I'm sending you this video today to encourage you to participate in Wingo, even if you're not here in the Houston area, to participate on September 10th. It's a Monday night, 7 p.m. at some country club over in Cypress. I don't know. The details are on the workstation. You can contact me later for them. If you're someplace else, San Antonio is having one. They're all over the country. That was the first one that pops into my mind about where someone is. Lake Charles is having one. Penny could go there. Commit now to going to Wingo and to buying 4 seats, 5 seats, a table. Kendra Harlan just bought a whole table. But here's the trick. Buy the table, commit to the table, commit to 3 seats, commit to 4 seats, send me the check, write the check, and then find the people to fill the seats. Because if you wait until the last minute and you say, oh, I'll only commit to however many people I can find that say yes to that day, you may end up with only 2 people there or 1 person there because you weren't really taking a risk. Jump off the cliff with me. Take a leap of faith. Have faith that you are going to have 5 guests. $5 a seat. That's $25. It's worth the investment. Encourage, if you don't think you can come up with 5 people, ask your friends to bring a friend. They're going to get free stuff. I mean, really, honestly, everybody gets a prize. This is a no-brainer. And everywhere that they've had a Wingo, everyone, all the consultants who brought guests have come away with sales, bookings, and or consultant leads. They've all gotten something out of it. Sales, bookings, and or consultant leads. This really is something I would love to see our team commit to fully. Just throw your heart over the fence, as Sue Oz said at Wham. Throw your heart over the fence. Take a risk. Email me, call me, text me how many seats you want. Write the check. Send it to me. The details are on the workstation. Or you can email me and ask me for my address. Just do it. Because you're going to end up with better results this way. You're going to get more people there because you already paid for the seat. Just take the leap of faith. Give it a try. And if you aren't familiar with Wingo, last minute plug here, it's bingo. Only guests play, only guests get to win, but if your guest wins, guess what? You get a prize too. It really works and it really is a fun evening. Hope to see you there. Bye.